GTA 5 was released in 2013. That was nearly 9 years ago. But thanks to modders, the graphic improvements look amazing till date. But what did it cost? The FPS. Since the game is old, there are no upscaling technologies, like the AMD's FSR and Nvidia's DLSS. Once again, the modders are to the rescue. AMD's FSR technology is now available for GTA 5 using a mod. And it works for both Nvidia and AMD users. Here is a quick FPS comparison of different modes. As you can see, using FSR also reduces the GPU's VRAM usage. This is very beneficial for users who have a limited video card memory. This also increases the stability of the game and helps reduce texture missing problems as you are reducing the load on the game engine. Welcome back to the GTA Gamer tutorials. Let's begin and download some free FPS. Just Google GTA 5 FSR. Go to the first link. The link is also provided in the description below. Like the author had mentioned, this mod replaces the in-game native upscaler with the FSR upscaling algorithm. Go to the releases section and download the mod. Extract the zip file with any extraction software like WinRAR. If you're not using any ENB, then just drag and drop both the files to your main game folder. These days, most of the popular graphic mods use ENB for enhancements. So if your game does have an ENB, then the installation is a bit different. You first need to rename the already existing ENB file. The d3d11.dll to d3d11_enb.dll. Then copy the FSR files. Open the GTA 5_FSR.ini with Notepad. Follow instructions given by author on GitHub. Change the false values to true. You have enabled the proxy and initialized the functions that it provides. For the proxy name, give your ENB file name d3d11_enb.dll. The setup is done. Both the FSR and ENB are linked now together. Save the file and close it. Launch the game. Go to the Settings menu, Advanced Graphics Settings. Use the frame scaling mode to change the FSR type. Sharpness is automatically applied based on the mode you are using. I recommend you use the 0.883x, which is ultra quality mode. If you need even more performance, go with the 0.75x, which is the quality mode. You can play your game now. Since you are using higher quality modes, you are not going to notice any visual difference. But how will you know if the mod is working or not? There aren't any messages or notifications that the FSR is enabled. So this is where the debug tools come in handy. Open the GTA 5_FSR.ini with Notepad. Change the print debug value to true. Download the debug view tool linked by the author. This tool is from Microsoft and safe to use. Extract the downloaded package. Run the debug view64.exe. Go to the Edit tab and select Filter or Highlight option. In the Include box, remove asterisk and type GTA 5_FSR. Press the OK button. Keep this debug view running in the background. Launch the game, and you should see messages like this. Once you are in the game, make sure you are using frame scaling mode. For testing, I'm using 0.75x, the quality mode. Alt+Tab out of the game and switch to the debug view running in the background. You can see, it's showing both the internal and output resolution. The status is also being shown as FSR, pass. Let's pause this for a minute. I will show you how the resolution is being calculated. Let's say we need an output resolution of 4K. Since we have used 0.75x for the frame scaling mode, the game is multiplying both the height and width with 0.75. That gives us the internal resolution, which the game is running at now. Let's look at what other options this mod provides. Use FidelityFX Super Resolution value, always needs to be true. Otherwise the game will use its native upscaler, which will make things blurry. As we have discussed earlier, the sharpening amount depends on the FSR mode used. If you want to set the sharpness manually, set the auto sharpness to false and write the value you need. I'm changing this value back to true because I like auto sharpness. If you remove this semicolon, you can then use F3 key to enable or disable the mod. Keep this line commented so that the mod always stays enabled. If you would like to have a reload key, then uncomment this line. But this also isn't necessary. If you are using auto sharpness, the mod will automatically apply new sharpness amount. The print debug value. Don't forget to change this back to false for better performance. Lastly, the proxies. Enable proxies only if you are using ENB. Hope this tutorial helped you and your FPS has increased. Please consider giving a thumbs up and thanks for watching the video.